Oh, ito pa, another question from Onomatopeia, no? Again, we have our own CPA review center, no? So, we want to help more students, no? To become certified public accountant. So, yun naman yung goal namin, no? In the advanced review solutions in the ARS CPA review, gusto namin na madaming pumasa, madaming maging certified public accountant. Yes, we are located pala in Moraita, Manila. Katabi lang namin ang Professional Regulation Commission. Kami po ay nasa third floor, no? Third floor of La Paralgo Building. So pag nakita niyo yung Greenwich sa baba, so akyat lang kayo sa third floor, no? So may question dito. If there are CPA or is there a CPA review center po in Naga City? What name po? Yes. Ako po ay proud Bicolano. Ako ay proud taga Naga, no? Naga City. And because of that, we opened, no, last May of 2025 sa Naga, no? Ano ang tawag? Same name, no? Advanced Review Solutions, ARS CPA Review. So we are located in Maliners Polytechnic colleges, no? So Maliners in Panganiban, Naga City. So yes, today is already August, no? So since May, no? Since June pala, sorry, June of 2025, we operate na, no? So if I remember right, madami nang kaming estudyante, no? So the reason why we open also in Bicol kasi para yung mga taga Naga, taga Bicol, no, hindi na pumunta ng Manila, no. So kami na ang pupunta sa inyo, no, with the advanced review solutions with the ARS. So yes, we have parang we have reviewers there. We have local reviewers. We have special lecturers, and kami din from Manila, no, ay pupunta sa Bicol, especially in pre-week, no, para at least we can also share our knowledge to, of course, to my fellow Bicolano, to my fellow Nagueño, no, in Naga City. So yun. So again, we are located in the Maliners Polytechnic colleges, no, in Panganiban, Naga City. In hotel pala, no, so we have hotel there, Maliners Hotel. Yes, you can enroll, no, punta lang kayo doon and look for